This is an S-6 running throat drops, kind of like a cough drop, I guess, respiratory drop, something of that nature. They are wrapped, as you can see, both ends pretty tightly. This is usually something that does have some issues running. Due to that, we have a vibrator on the supply hopper that helps move the product from this position here down to this pan, and then this pan will drop to this pan, obviously here. This upper pan is controlled by a little switch so we don't get too much product in this pan. We've got a dribble gate that we're using to increase the accuracy, and we've got a standard weigh hopper here. We are using a 5-inch discharge chute. This does not currently fit the bags provided by this company. We would want a 3-inch chute for their purpose, as there has been much clogging in any of the funnel configurations we have. We're running at a weight of 120 grams. Our power pulse box is set to 70% power for the upper pan here. And here we go. So you'll notice that the dribble gate lane here for the feed pan has basically dried up a little bit with product. And something about the pressure of the product sitting against the sides of the pan holds it up a little bit from the forward momentum. But then the other thing about it is that it will catch on each other into this area over here. This is about the only problem I've really had with this run at this point, is having this lane not have enough product in it, essentially. This is the only other issue that I've seen, and this does not happen very often, is we get a little bit more product than we intended to have in this pan, and we will overshoot, but that is every 20 to 30 runs, somewhere in that range. It hasn't been exactly the most trackable, as it varies in between quite a bit at times. And again, just a little coaxing will help that lane fill up again and run.